Last time we already know what happens when you put the egg in vinegar for 24 hours. It becomes a bouncy egg. Today we're gonna make another experiment with eggs. We will need eggs, 3 eggs, vinegar, white vinegar, and Coke. Are you ready? Let's start. First, put each egg in each bowl. 1, 2, 3. Next, put the vinegar in 2 orange bowls. Okay, let's get that.
Let's soak the egg.
What does soak mean?
Means putting the egg into the vinegar.
Soak.
Yeah, you try to soak the egg. And
Ooh.
next one?
This one's orange bowl.
Okay.
So let's put it like that. It's like a waterfall. But it's not a waterfall. We will soak the egg in the Coke for 24 hours.
24 hours.
We will soak this egg for 24 hours too. But for this one, we will do it for 3 days. That's super long. See you guys 24 hours and also 3 days later. Let's check what happens to the egg after 24 hours. Whoa! This egg is with vinegar and this egg is with Coke.
So can you tell me what happened to them? What can you observe?
This egg with vinegar became big.
How about this one?
This one became dark.
Ooh.
Let's try to see how this egg looks like. It looks like a glow-in-the-dark egg.
So, shall we turn off the lights?
Yes.
Okay.
I already turned off the lights. Now let's try to see
How?
how this egg looks like. Very eggy.
See?
Wow, look at that.
Touch it, Nigel.
Wow, it looks like yellow sun.
It's like, see?
It's like yellow sun.
And it's very, very,
Soft.
it's very soft.
So the light goes through the egg.
Yeah.
And it's, see? So soft.
And also so yellow.
Yes.
Let me see.
Yes, that's how it looks. It's so soft. The shell became so soft.
Okay. Turn the lights on now, Nigel.
Let's see if it bounces, Mama.
Okay. Let's see.
Here you go.
Whoa, it
Ooh.
bounces. This is super bouncy, right?
See? Not too near, not too far.
Whoa, it's super bouncy.
One more time for me, and then Nigel will do it next.
Before.
Good. Nigel, you can try it.
Good. One more time.
Good. One more time.
Cool.
Cool.
The glow-in-the-dark, I call it glow-in-the-dark bouncy egg.
One more time, not too far.
I call it glow-in-the-dark bouncy egg.
All right, that's super cool.
Okay. So, this is our bouncy egg for the second time.
Yeah, but also glow-in-the-dark.
Okay.
Nigel, can you look at the egg on the Coke? What do you observe? What can you see? What happened to that egg? Can you pick it up? Pick it up.
I think my hands grab it.
What do you notice? Can you tell me your observation?
I know that the egg became dark and the egg is hard.
The egg is darker and it's hard. Can you see? Try to see how hard it is. Can you press?
Super hard.
Is it super hard?
Yeah.
Now, how about the one on the vinegar? What happened? It became
Soft.
like a rubber, right? It's very bouncy.
Yeah.
And now that
It's
one,
like a ball.
it's like a ball.
A ball that's bouncy.
All right. Now, how about that one?
This one's super hard and also super dark.
Super hard and super dark. Now, can you try to put that egg onto the floor? And let's try to hear how it sounds.
Like that.
Okay, yeah, again. Does it break?
It's cracking.
Is it cracking?
Yeah.
Oh, where? Let me see. Oh, it is cracking, but it's still hard, right? It's harder than before.
Yeah, that's harder than before. Before it was just like okay.
It was just okay, right?
Yeah.
So when you try to crack an egg into the pan, the frying pan, it breaks easily, right?
Yeah.
But how about that one?
Doesn't.
It doesn't break
It
easily.
just cracked.
It just cracked, but doesn't break, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's check what happens next time to the egg and the vinegar and the egg and the Coke.
After how many days?
3 days.
After 3 days. All right, okay. Let's see. 4 days later.
Hello everybody, today is the 4th day. We couldn't do the experiment yesterday because we went out. This is the egg in the vinegar. And this is the egg in the Coke. It became super soft.
Let's try to see.
It's fine.
It's still like going dark. It looks super cool.
What happened? Can you tell us your observation, Nigel Grant?
It's super bouncy now. It's super bouncy now.
And then,
It's clearer too, right?
It's clearer.
can you see the egg yolk?
I don't see, but it's almost clearer because you see the orange.
So you can see it.
So you can see
That
it.
is the egg yolk.
Mm.
And also the eggshell became soft.
Yeah, the eggshell is gone. Totally gone.
Totally.
Yeah.
But
Can you
this
bounce
one-
it? Can you bounce it?
Don't bounce it too high. Ooh, look at
check it
that.
out.
Oh, this is awesome. Super awesome.
A little bit further from you. Go. Ooh, really rubbery. Go.
It's like a rubber bouncy ball.
Yes, it is. Cool, right?
It's like a bouncy light shine egg.
Okay. How about this one?
How
Can you
about
get
the
it?
one, the Coke?
Ooh,
Ooh,
what's that?
when you touch it, what happened to it?
Ooh, it broke a little.
Ooh.
That's okay. Just get it and try to. Is it hard or soft?
A little bit hard, but this side is soft because of the crack.
Okay. Can you try to bounce it? If it bounces,
It's still hard.
it's still hard. So anyway, try to drop it a little bit and see.
Drop.
Let me
This one is
see.
smaller.
It's smaller. It did not expand. Ooh, so the shell is still hard,
Yeah, but it's broken a little.
and the color is very what?
What happened to the color?
Very dark.
Maybe because last time you tried to say I bounced it, so I bounced it and it cracked.
Maybe.
Maybe.
But it's not bouncy, right?
Yeah, this one.
Compared to the one in the vinegar.
that became super bouncy. I like this one because it's like it can go in the dark and also bounce.
Can you try to bounce it a little bit higher?
Okay.
Higher, higher.
Higher.
Will it break? Ooh, did not break.
One
A little bit higher.
Okay, a little bit higher. I'm sure that was splashed.
You scared? Ooh, did not.
What is,
Let me try. How about this high? Oh,
super
it
bouncy.
did not.
It's super bouncy.
It's super bouncy. Okay.
So the longer you
See, look.
put the egg in the vinegar, the bouncy.
Oh,
Anyway.
not. But what happened to that one? What happened to the shell?
The shell is totally gone.
Oh, it's totally gone.
Yes.
And it looks like it's already cooked.
Ah, no, it's not.
So raw.
Still raw. That's
Yeah,
the egg.
but the egg yolk looks like it's cooked. Cooked, I mean.
It's really orange.
Thanks for watching. Please enjoy and make that at home.